9:45. We are finishing today's 8-minute meal with registered dietitian Chris Barrett, and you are making a chicken dish that reduces inflammation?
Right, so it's going to have different ingredients in it that are going to reduce inflammation.
Okay.
So we look here, here's the finished product, but we have to start with our chicken breast here.
Yeah.
So I've started a little bit ahead of time that we're going to sort of saute a little bit of spinach.
Okay.
Before we do that, we have to just sort of butterfly or cut into the chicken right here. You don't want to cut all the way through, so you want to cut about halfway through, and then you can just load in your spinach. Right?
Really?
Put in your spinach right on one side. And then what you're also going to do is you're going to add in, so I mixed in minced garlic, parsley, and then onion powder.
Okay.
Yum.
I can smell that.
I love it.
Yeah.
That'll wake you up in the morning.
Exactly.
So what we're going to do is we're going to sprinkle that in here, right? You can just sprinkle it in here. Save a little bit so you can actually put it on the top as well.
Oh, okay.
Good move.
So you can put that on there, as well as a roasted pepper as well.
Yum.
So again, these going to sort of put in like this. Take 2 toothpicks.
Oh,
stick it
that's
through.
the trick.
That is
Hold
the
it all
trick.
together.
That is.
Yeah.
Yep. And then you're going to just take it and put it onto sort of a skillet, and then wait for it to heat up, and
Okay.
eventually you're going to flip it over.
Oh, okay.
Yep. So you're going to start 5 minutes on one side. You'll cover the top once it's in here.
I was going to ask you how you're going to put that lid on. with
There you
these
go.
There you go.
toothpicks.
In 5 minutes, flip it 5 minutes, and then you just sort of check it out to make sure it's
For
cooked
sure.
all the way through.
Yep. And one of the other things that you'll notice is we also add tomatoes to the top of it.
Yes. Let's see the finished
Right?
product.
So yeah, so the finished product is right here. Right? And this is what the product will look like.
Great.
Okay. Now, what is the biggest product in there to help with anti-inflammatory issues?
So I think there's 2, right? So one would be sort of the tomatoes,
Okay.
as well as I think we spoke about it earlier, but the purple potatoes.
Ah,
Or
that makes a
potatoes in
difference.
general. I think a lot of people think that, oh, I can't eat
I was going
carbohydrates.
to
Yeah.
say, they bloat me.
Right.
And this
Yeah,
and that.
exactly.
But it's actually one of the most filling foods.
Yep.
And the other thing is they also have these antioxidants in them,
No.
which sort of
Can't beat
enhance
that.
the
It's
health
just the
benefits.
right carbohydrate that
Exactly.
you need to eat. Okay,
Very
this
good.
is great. Thanks so much. And of course, we'll have this on our website as well.
Perfect.
Awesome job
Thank you.
today, too. That's good.
We'll be right back.